members of the Democratic Party, Ted Kennedy in particular, thought that it was not quite fair that the United States still represented more of a Eurocentric profile and not a global profile. And by that he meant people are coming from war-torn Europe. During the Cold War, they're coming from a communist bloc, and there's not diverse enough. We need poor people. We need people of different races. But when we decided that the criteria to come to the United States would no longer be, do you have a high school education? Do you have skills that can earn an income without support of the state? Do you have any capital? Do you speak the English language? Will you be integrated very quickly? But do you have a cousin? Do you have a brother? Do you want to bring a child across? Why did the southern border then become porous, and why wasn't the immigration law by the 1970s and 80s enforced? In other words, why are we so sensitive about enforcing our southern border, building a wall, using the word illegal alien? Remember, that's a very descriptive word. Somebody is alien. It's a nice Latin root word that means not of this place, and they come here illegally. That is, they don't have permission from the government. Why do we fight each other and strain so hard to say that is polarizing, so we're going to call them illegal immigrants rather than aliens? And then we think, well, illegals kind of mean too. Why should we distinguish whether they come legally or illegally, immigrants? So then let's just say they're undocumented immigrants. But undocumented immigrants suggest that they had documents and something happened to the documents. But they never had the documents, so it's a very misleading term. Nevertheless, then finally we had the idea of just immigrants, and we wouldn't distinguish the legal classification of their arrival. And then people said, well, that's kind of discriminatory. Immigrants means they're coming this way, and we have immigrants with an E rather than an I means they're going that way. And why do we prejudice people coming in rather than people going out? So let's just call them migrants. So today in popular news accounts, when you look at the southern border and you see thousands of people, news people, journalists, politicians, they won't say illegal aliens, they won't say illegal migrants or immigrants, they'll just say migrants. And yet that's very misleading. People are not just coming naturally across the border according to the wishes and permission of the United States. So then the issue arises, who's behind this?